Alisat YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to learn you one concept, nothing but in class 10. In class 10 of trigonometry chapter, trigonometry. Okay, from the trigonometry we are going to learn this question. Okay, this question is as follows: sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. First of all, for doing any solution of any question, first of all read the question properly. Okay, so and first of all, it's my small request that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share to our videos, and please share and comment our videos so all viewers can gain more knowledge. Okay, so let's get into the video now. From class 10 trigonometry chapter, I have took example number 12, that is nothing but if ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. This is the question given. So first of all, what you should do, see. Here they said that if ABC are an interior angles of triangle ABC. First of all, draw the triangle ABC. I am drawing triangle ABC, isn't it? ABC. Now they are saying that ABC are interior angles. So this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. We know that in a triangle, angle sum property is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? Yes or no? Okay. Now by using this angle sum property, you should solve this question right now. Are you ready to solve? Okay, come on. Now first of all, write solution. Our solution is, first of all, take this angle sum property. First of all, write given. What is given in the question? Given is nothing but what is if statement, you should write that. ABC are interior angles of triangle ABC. A comma B comma C are interior angles of triangle ABC. These three ABC are interior angles of a triangle ABC, isn't it? Okay, our next step is write what is the sum angle sum property. Our angle sum property is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? Now after taking this, you should divide the whole term by 2. First of all, dividing the full term by 2. First of all, see what is they are going to show. They are asking to show that sin b plus c by 2 equal to cos a by 2. First of all, see here b plus c is having by 2 and a is having 1 by 2. So keep a by 2 and b plus c by 2 and 180 by 2. Okay. If suppose this is given in this form, see suppose tan a plus b by 2 equal to cot c by 2. If it is given in this form, you should write a plus b by 2 first of all and c by 2 next and write 180 by 2 next. Have you understood? In this way you should arrange. Okay, no need of this, I am erasing. Now, we got this now. First of all, divide this one. So next, after dividing this, transpose this a by 2 term to that side. So here what will be left? B plus c by 2 equal to, this is 90 minus 90 degrees minus a by 2, isn't it? Now after getting like this, you should apply sin theta on both sides. Apply sin theta on both sides. On applying sin theta on both sides, you get in this way: sin b plus c by 2 equal to sin 90 minus a by 2, 90 degrees minus a by 2. Now you know one formula. You of course you don't know. I am going to say which you learn in inter. Okay, so that formula is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 degrees minus theta equal to plus cos theta. This is the formula you should learn. Okay, if you learn this formula only, you can solve here. Okay, na? So now write this term as it is. You got this term, see first term? Okay. So sin b plus c by 2 b plus c by 2 equal to this sine 90 minus a by 2 can be taken as theta. So sine 90 minus theta gives you cos theta. So cos a by 2 plus cos a by 2. So this is. So in this way you can prove any question if it is changed also. If suppose they have given here tan and secant or cot and cosecant, you should prove in this way, in this type only. When they are here changed, here what is the term given? Of course sine, cos, tan, nothing. What maybe it is given, you should take here applying that rule. Okay, that on both sides you should apply, and for that, suppose it is given cos 90 minus theta, you should get sin theta. So in this way you should do. I hope you understood this question. If you understood, and please like this video, and if you don't understood, I will explain you later in next video. Thank you. Until then, bye bye.